Yo, what's up guys? It's Pygoz here, the Crypto Pie. And today we're going to be talking about Bitcoin, guys, because Bitcoin will indicate what the market is doing, guys. And I mean, the market is super red, alright? Like I said, guys, in my video before, we had to get into that 3-hour Ichimoku cloud. And if we take a look, we just didn't, right? We tried, and then we fell. And we can potentially still fall. I think we still have a little bit to fall. I mean, simply because we didn't hit a Fibonacci target, and you guys know how much I trust in the Fibonacci's, right? So yeah, we got to that 618 eventually, finally, right? And I just saw a very weak bounce. So I was like, nope. So yeah, it went lower. So I just got my 2 point here in anticipation that the 2 point will be the 786, which is also, if we look at all the way back, if we look at the 6 hour here, we had this top, and I just have this line, right? This basically just the line for that was the downtrend that we eventually broke. And then I made a new line on the chart, guys. It's basically from this point to that point, and then you get this low here. So and then the 786 gets really close here. So this is a crucial point, guys. I'll mark it here. So right here, this area is a crucial area, right? This is a crucial area right there, right around there. Right around to $7,000, guys, 7.2 or so, 7.2, 7.1, something like that. I think it's very crucial. You can see that. So at least I'm expecting a bounce, guys. But am I like bullish right now? No, I'm not bullish. I was nearly getting bullish because I was like, yeah, we're getting into that 3-hour Ichimoku cloud, right? But then we didn't. So, and we need to be ready for that, guys. And I am, alright? I'm mainly in Bitcoin. And if you are mainly in Bitcoin, guys, you're doing okay. I mean, yes, you're losing money as well. But if you were heavily into altcoins, the altcoins are down a lot more, guys. So, yeah, just keep that into perspective as well. And with that Bitcoin you got, or I mean, yeah, with that Bitcoin you got, you can buy other altcoins, right? When they're in a big dip. So, am I already looking at like buying more EOS here? No. No, I'm not. For example, on EOS, guys, because if we look on the 6 hour, I'm waiting to get down to this 618 area, guys. Area, alright? Area. Not exactly, so probably around here, right? Probably around there. That is what I'm looking at to add to my position on EOS. Whether we get there or not, who knows? But I already have some EOS, so you know. Or what could happen is that we are going back bullish, and we break this downtrend, and then I can add to it, right? So it's just, yeah. And if you want to be a bit like faster to add to it, guys, you can look at, you know, like 1 hour charts, for example, right? If it gets above and it's a little bit stable off this 21 EMA, then perhaps you want to add to your position. For me personally, I'm kind of waiting for this Fibonacci, right? But anyways, guys, back to Bitcoin. We need to hold this, all right? We need to hold this 7K here, guys. If we fall under that, you know, we'll like fast go to 6K, right? So from 7 to 6K, it will be very fast. So yeah, we need to hold this line, guys. Basically, just draw your own line, basically from this point to that point, and you will get this entire line, right? And so what we have been trading in for the last, I mean, well, now it's basically this range right here, guys. This is our range. I mean, we got above it like once, but this is basically our trading range. So I mean, let's actually put it up here, right? We need to get above this point above the 11,780 in order for us to really be bullish. But if we look at RSI here, this is 6-hour RSI, guys. We're at 23. All right, that is very, very, very low, and we've been there before. That was around here. We were here as well. So we had a weak bounce then, though. We went from 8.2 to like 8.8. When we were there before, however, we went from that 6.5, and we had this nice rally to 10K. So it's hard to predict what will happen right now. But all I do know is that we can expect a bounce. And even though I love this Fibonacci, I also need to keep this line right here in mind, right? Basically from this point right there, which we are at right now. I mean, basically it's this area right here, right? From this double bottom kind of that we had here. If we can hold that, that'd be great as well. But I just can't be bullish on this, guys. I mean, it's hard, right? It's definitely hard to be bullish on this, but there's definitely good buying opportunities, guys, for bounce plays, right? Maybe not so much for, don't be looking for gains of 100% or 50%, but you can be looking at gains of 10 to 20%, guys. Right, that is the gains you can be looking for. Don't try to look for the big gains right now. Okay, so let's say, okay, hypothetically speaking, back to EOS. Let's say it drops to this 618 or even this area right here. Okay, so you put a little buy order in here, and then it bounces back up to this trend line. Then you make about 15-17%. That's what I mean. Okay, Bitcoin, Ethereum, they all have the same thing. Okay, so same thing, 618 bounce back. Well, this is actually a big gain, 20% or so. So yeah, that is what you should be focusing on right now, the smaller gains, because if you try to get the big gains right now, I don't think it will happen. Alright, that's just brutally honest. So unless we break the downtrend, so you know we have a new downtrend established here on Bitcoin, guys, just this point and that point, and we need to get out of that. Okay, so and the apex of this is soon, right? Apex is basically nothing more than an endpoint of a triangle, guys, which is right here, and that is around the 8th of June. Okay, so yeah, look forward to that. I mean, look forward. It can also break down. Keep that in mind as well, guys. You can break up, but you can also break down, right? So yeah, I mean, it can go both ways. So yeah, but with all the news that's coming out, guys, I'd say it's bullish, but I'm not a perma bull, right? I also short the market every now and then. So I'm not a perma bull, I'm not a perma bear. I just kind of try to see what the market is doing and I go with it. Okay, will I would I have tried to short this? No, not at all. This perhaps, but no, I didn't. Because too many altcoin plays, right? I much rather have most of my trading capital on exchange like Binance, where I can play altcoins, than on BitMax, where I can just kind of only play Bitcoin. I mean, there's some other coins there, but no, you know, there's nothing much. And I mean, Bitfinex is still, I don't, you know, Bitfinex been hacked too much, so I don't like really going on Bitfinex, you know. So yeah, I rather play the altcoins right now, guys, than playing my BitMax plays. Even though it would have been hell of a short. Okay, so whoever shorted here, guys, that, you know, saw that the 10K was rejected, you guys are doing great. Okay, you guys are doing great. But for the people that, you know, are just in Bitcoin, we have golden opportunities coming up, guys, for buys. I mean, EOS is one of them. Zilica is another one. If we get rid of this, so the 0.5 is a little bounce here. The next buy area here, I would be looking at the 618, guys. So yeah, just great opportunities coming up, guys. Then we got Icon, is the 618 around this 33. So guys, it's just great buying opportunities, all right? So yeah, the market's kind of giving you gifts as well. So keep that in mind, guys. It's not only bearish news, but it's definitely a bearish day. Very bearish day, last few days, right? So we should be seeing a bounce relatively soon, guys, based on the RSI being this oversold. If we look at a 12-hour here, we're also getting to the oversold area, and that's the difference with this bounce here. Back then we were not oversold, but now we are. So now we can be looking more at this play that went from 6.6 to 10. So maybe we can see another nice play like that, right? Where we go a little bit further. Yeah. So, I mean, guys, it's not all bad. The market's definitely going, you know, it's ups and downs, guys. Don't be panic selling. Panic selling is just the worst. You know, everyone has done it before in the past. I'm no exception. You know, I've done it before in the past. You know, probably like a year or so ago, when I was still learning, and I panic sold every now and then. So hey, yeah, you gotta learn, but it's best not to panic sell, guys. If you want to sell, and let's say you need something, but you don't need it just yet, but maybe let's say you need some money in a week or so, some extra money that you have in cryptos right now. Don't be selling right now. Wait for the bounce, then you can sell. Okay, so wait for the bounce, guys. Very important. But anyways, guys, that's pretty much it. Also, if you're not in my Telegram yet, join up with the CryptoPies blog, where you can ask me any questions, you can ask other people questions, and it's just a great chat box to be in, and I appreciate all of you guys. I appreciate all the writing you guys do, the news posts, because I cannot keep up to date with all this either. And it's great that we have a community where everyone just shares all their knowledge, right? Whether it's a news article, whether it's a chart, I appreciate everything, all right? So yeah, that's cool, guys. Also, join up with the CryptoPies feed, where I post all my videos. I post about upcoming ICOs, and believe it or not, guys, I am researching some, and I mean, even though we're not entirely bullish, you know, I might still drop some ICOs on you guys, because of the fact that some are just really good, right? Especially if the market cap is very low and it's an infrastructure ICO. So, you know, and it has a great team, then I might start talking about them again, guys. So because they're still showing nice gains, even though it's so bearish right now, that some ICOs are still showing nice gains. So yeah, anyways, guys, both telegrams will be in the description below, and if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, hit that post notification button, and if you got any questions at all, leave a comment below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.